Gabo na Ryan, 5,000 square
Kasi may change of status.
Hindi niya matiwala na pinagawang
Huwag ka din na kayo yan.
1.5.
Parto yan po yan.
Part wow,
Wow.
Pamilya na yung 10 years old.
You taught me everything, everything you've given me. I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I could be. And it just won't
Kamusta ka na po, Lola? Happy birthday!
Sese na yan.
Need na po namin ikaw. Kahit minsan-minsan na lang po tayo nagkikita kahit sa video chat na lang po. Mahal pa din namin ikaw. Lahat po na nandiyan. Isa po namin kayo kasi wala na ikaw video chat. Happy birthday! Salamat din po sa pag-aalaga sa amin kahit ikaw po kami. Kahit
Kapatid na kayo na. Hindi na kapangamo ko na. Ay, napangamo.
happy birthday!
Ay, napangamo. Thank you.
Bye! Love you! Bye!
Love you more.
You know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Yes, it is. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Yes, it is.
Ay, ma. Sabi ko, di ba, kung papagsalitan mo ng tingi, hindi asa. Pero nung papagkalitan mo, maski pati nga ako na lang problema. Anyway, ng birthday mo yan, Burira Hangrit. Happy birthday. At sana parati kang maging malusog. Hamad ka sakit. At saka, ikatangadwa, kita na yung makatagan kayong biyeta, sana kay ba't na yung birthday mong ini, mag-umpisa ta ng enjoy yung biyeta. Siguro maging nagyuta naman kanyan, at kananta na yung buritang kanan, basta gyura rin pera ta. Yeah. Sana maging masaya ka pa rin yung tarati, nakamang problema. At kung tutusin, wala na naman talagang problema. At yung katang mga ganak-anak, mga nyaman na yapo. So, ito naman kayong direct-diba. Again, happy birthday. At nung na akong Peter, nung nalong ibigay ko ito, may check ko ako matuwain bulan. Nung nano po yung ibigay yung mama, diyan ko niyang totoong pagmamahala. So, happy birthday. I love you. Katapama Golden Hands. Gulanda ka. Ikuwatang misa chat. Maswelo ka ta rin anak. Okay naman. So, enjoy. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana dakal tayong maging birthday ta kanya nila. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, you're always there for me. Have always been around for me. Even when I was bad, you showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you took up for me when everyone was doubting me. You always did understand.
Happy birthday, Mama. Maski kay man miuli at tamo man makompleto yan yung birthday mo, pero sana enjoy mo pa rin yung celebration ng 70th birthday mo. Another milestone in your life, and we are very thankful to God that He allowed you to live this long to be with us. At sana pangadining mas kumaba pa in biyayo ito yung abang papa na magsakayatin ako pang maluwat at di nang ko pang sika ng katawan Thank you kaya po, kaya hanggang gawayo kay kami manibatan niyang malati kami, kay wisdom, kay learnings, kay faith. Nung nano kami ngayon, may kakapatad, uli kay kayo nga doon papayta, nung kamatao ni hindi kami makachos at biyasang lugod at respeto kami kapwa. Kaya kita po, pasalamat kami na masingin yung mga ragul na kami, kayo patuloy na maging anchor me, ang maging mami, gagabay kayo kami sa mga kamali kami at tabayanin kayo pa rin. Kaya aking gagawan yung gawayo po at yung patuloy yung gagawan pat salamat kayong maragul. Kaya sana ngayong birthday tamo man makapag-party ang tita kayong sanang burin yung mangyari pero sana enjoy pa rin yung gagawin. Happy birthday and we love you so much and see you soon. We miss you.
Happy birthday po, ma.
You gave me strength to go on. There were so many times looking back when I was so afraid. And then you come to me and say me I could fix anything.
Bukas na ako, ma'am.
Birthday, Mama. Kaya nga doon, Papa. Yung wish ko kayong birthday mo, long life at saka good health din kayong buong pamilya. Tamo, I love you.
Hi po, tita. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best for good health and more birthday to come. And
And no one else can do what you've done for me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life. Ooh,
Happy 70th birthday, Mama. Madakal pong salamat kay Ngay Gana-Gana. Yung wish ko po para kay Lagay wish you.
Ayaw bro!
Po, enjoy your day.
Ay, Korean.
Serious yata ang yun.
Serious yan.
Serious yan.
Ayan yung kanya.
May Tokyo na.
Pati yung Tokyo.
So yung girlfriend ng UK.
Nakala kasi, kailangan wala yung pag-iway dito.
Kailan pag UK?
Yes, no, 71 years old.
Ma, happy birthday po. Thank you po karing lagana sa support. Binyayo po kay kami. Wish ko po para kay kayo good health, long life. Tamo po. Enjoy your day. And
Mama, Mama, you know I love you. You know I love you. You know I love you. Mama, ooh, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. You are. Your love is like tears from the stars.
Bida, bida.
May the Lord give you grace. May the Lord give you strength kung nano maning maging problem mo emotionally, physically. Sana tabayan na nakatama kitang
The stars is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Never gonna go a day without you.
Hindi ako nang pag-memorize ng mga salita. Pero basta, gusto ko po kayo magka-long life at happy birthday po. Ilang taon na ba kayo? Hindi ko matandaan. Ang dami niyang numbers eh. Basta happy birthday po. Bye. Kalaguran dakang Lola Boss. Sana masaya kaking birthday mo. Sana po ano po, masaya po yung birthday niyo kahit hindi po kami makapunta, kahit wala po kaming party, o love pa din po namin kayo. Kahit hindi po kami magsama-sama na magpunta dyan po sa Pampanga, at least po makaka-celebrate po kami sa inyo din po. Tsaka po, ang wish ko po sa iyo po na sana po buhay kayo ng mahaba. Tsaka po, stay healthy and God bless you po. Love you po. Bye-bye.
Loving you is like food to my soul. Loving you is like food to my soul. Yeah. You are the food to my soul. Yes, you are.
Ay, dit may pa itong kakong.
Pero, kahon naman.
Ayaw Hindi ba sa pilitang cake? Hindi na.
Buriya pong Alben, pera ako kahon.
Aliwa, ito pa, meron pa ikit itong mumuna.
Ay, tapong nandun?
Oo, in part 1 and 2.